Welcome back to Learn It from Dad. I spotted a little leak in the front differential and Dad said it was from a broken seal. So in this video, we will drain out the old fluids, remove the cover, clean off the old seal, add a new seal, put the cover back on, and add new gear oil. As always, make sure you do all your safety checks before going under the vehicle. Set the emergency brakes, wheel stopper, safety glasses, etc. Step 1. Before you start emptying out the old fluids, it's a good idea to first check if you can unscrew the refill plug. The last thing you want is to drain everything and find out you can't remove the refill plug. I went ahead and removed the cover screws as well. Make sure the drain pan is in place before you unscrew the drain plug. Shouldn't take too long to drain everything. I just use that time to clean the drain plug. Step 2. You will need something thin to pry the lid cover open. Take your time scraping off the old seal both on the lid and on the differential. Remember to use something non-metallic like a piece of wood or plastic to scrape off the seal. Spray the lid with brake cleaner and scrape again. Repeat several times if needed. For the differential surface, spray the brake cleaner on a towel instead of directly onto the surface. Step 3. With the lid clean and dry, we can now apply the silicone sealer. The trick is to start from the top of the lid and go clockwise, not stopping until you complete the circle back at the top. I stopped many times because I didn't have a good grip on the tube, but that's okay. Just don't leave any gaps or air pockets along the way. Carefully align the lid onto the differential and put in a couple of screws to hold the lid in place. Do not tighten the screws fully, only to about 80%. This is to let the seal settle in. After an hour, you can fully torque to specification. Step 4. Make sure the drain plug is securely tightened before refilling with new gear oil. Once you see the oil overflowing from the refill hole, that's when you know it's full. You can even check by dabbing your finger into the refill hole to make sure the oil is at the top. Tighten the refill screw, wipe everything dry, and monitor it for leaks. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And come back again soon for more videos.